Hello, I'm working on worlds in comparison. So what I'm going to do is I have this one gigantic ball of Play-Doh. Okay, and what I'm going to do is it asks me to divide this Play-Doh into 10 equal parts. Now with these 10 equal parts, 6 of them are going to go together and become Jupiter, and the other 3 parts are going to become Saturn, which leaves one left over for the other planet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to basically take this Play-Doh and split it in half. So this is going to be my start to Jupiter. So I will put this over here where I have Jupiter labeled. And then I have this piece. So I need to divide this into 5 equal parts. A lot of times it's a little easier to roll it into kind of a log sort of shape. And then divide up this kind of break pieces. So I take and I break off 5 different pieces. So here's my 1. That's 2, 3, 4. And I want to put a little bit of it. So let's go ahead and divide this one up a bit so that I have a little more equal roots. And put there. So I have 5 spheres. So I'm taking my 5 spheres, and it says to put 3 of them together in order to make Saturn. So I'm going to take these 3, smash them together, and make my own little planet here. And this is Saturn. So that goes over here for Saturn. This is Jupiter still. Okay. And then I'm left with these 2 pieces. So with these 2 pieces, it says 6 parts together. So I have 5 over here for Jupiter so far. That was the half. So one of these is going to go over and join in with Jupiter to make Jupiter a little bit bigger even. So then, after I get Jupiter together, what I'm going to do is I'm left with this 1. So I go on to the next step. It says cut the remaining part into 10 equal pieces. Take 5 parts and put them with the ball in the Saturn box. Combine 2 parts to put in with the Neptune box. And put 2 parts into the Uranus box. So I'm going to take this, so 5 times is a half. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this in half. There's half. And I am going to take this, and I'm going to put this as Saturn. And I'm going to take this, and I'm going to divide this into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 different pieces here. Okay. So with my 5 different pieces, what I'm going to do is 2 of these go to become Neptune. 2 of them become Uranus. And 1 of these is left over. So what it tells me to do next is I am going to make this into 4 equal parts. And it asks me to put 3 of those parts with Saturn. Okay, I like to kind of different fractions, and kind of equal so I go half, okay, and then I go half again for 4 parts. And 3 of these, it said, go with Saturn. So I throw those over here with Saturn. And I'm left with this 1 piece. So now it tells me to take this, and now I'm going to divide it into 10 equal parts. So I take it, I try to get a log, doesn't always work again, it's a little dry for me, but I divide it out, and then I divide it in half, so I have this side and this side. And what I'm going to do is this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I do together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it tells me to take 2 of these and put them together in order to create Earth. So this is Earth. Then I take another 2 and put them together. And this becomes Venus. So Venus. And then it tells me to take 4 of them and combine them with Uranus. So I take 1, 2, 3, 4 and combine them together and put them with Uranus. So then I'm left with 2 pieces, and it tells me to put those 2 pieces together, and I am supposed to cut it into 10 equal pieces. So I'm rolling out here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perhaps otherwise I might have to try and equal these pieces at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more. 5. Okay. So I have 5 pieces, and I have 5 pieces. And it tells me to take 1 part and put it into Mars. So this right here, this little piece, this is Mars. So I will put Mars right here. And it tells me to take 4 parts and put them into Neptune. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 go into Neptune. And then 4 parts into Uranus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then I'm left with this one piece. So, what it's asking me to do is to take this one piece and divide this one piece into 10 equal parts. Now, 7 of those parts are going to go into Mercury, and 2 of the parts are going to go into Uranus.
So, again, this also dividing. I try and cut in half because that's 5 pieces. So that's 5 pieces. And then what do we do? We're going to cut this one. And this one piece is 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay, so I have 5 pieces. So one of these let's see, 7. So 5, 6, 7. 2 more are going to come out. I'm going to combine them together in order to create Mercury. And then I'm left with the other pieces here, and 2 parts of it ends up going over to Uranus. So I'm going to take these 2 and put them with Uranus, which makes this one little speck left. After I get done with that one little speck, I'm supposed to divide it into 10 equal parts. And 9 parts are going to go over to Uranus, and 1 part is going to be Pluto. Now, I'm going to cheat. I'm just going to take a little tiny speck, the smallest thing I can get off of it, and I'm going to put that over here as Pluto, and I'm going to take the other part and put it with Uranus. So now that we're done, we've gotten everything divided. You can see how we have Mercury, Mars, Venus, and Earth as compared to Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune, and Uranus, and then we have little tiny Pluto. So, whenever we're looking at these, think about how much mass is divided in between them and what the shapes are.